Yo guys, Demon Bro here, and today I have another unboxing. So yeah, I need to get a new setup, and yeah, so I've got a unboxing from Rowswell Skateboard somewhere there. Don't know where. Give me a second. My brightness is really retarded. There we go. Yeah, so from Rowswell Skateboards. And, yeah, so just gonna go ahead and open this guy up with my fabulous X-Acto knife, if I can get it open. Shake all the stuff, button, shake it. Yeah, so yeah, so receipt. Yeah, so there is just inside of the package. How come stuff always falls out on me? Whatever. Okay, yeah, so there's your tape. Oh my god, that is nice. Okay. They're little figurines. I love these things. They're awesome. And here's what comes in the package that I got. I got the, awesome looking fingerboard trucks that they have. Apparently they're a lot like Y trucks, so I was like, okay, well, I want to try some Y trucks, but I don't want to spend all the money on them. So I just decided to get a pair of these. And yeah, so just let me say another piece of that grip. Almost looks like sprinkles. It's kind of funny. Anyways, yeah, so that's what the trucks look like. Got the aluminum base with a purple top. The deck that I got actually is pink. So I was like, okay, well, white wheels, purple trucks. This could look good. Anyways, yeah, so I'll give you a close-up on this in a minute once I get these things out of the package because they don't want to come out. And, yeah. Okay, guys, I'm back. So that's kind of like what the trucks look like. Yeah, so I think they look really nice. The paint's actually still a bit tacky. I'm kind of surprised about that. But, you know, he probably had just painted it, like, until the point it was tacky. And yeah, so there's a better shot of that figure. And yeah, so there's those joystick wheels. I'm going to be putting these onto that deck just for now. I'm going to be putting the trucks and wheels that are on that deck back onto that deck once my pink deck gets here. Anyways, yeah, so be expecting a review on joystick wheels, Fox fingerboards, pink deck, and these trucks. Anyways, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Keep fingerboarding and peace.